Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Next, we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of u square we have to u. This one that is about the constant, so you got 0. This one we have number 1, so we have negative number 2. This one we have 2x. Next, we divide both sides by negative number 2. So the square root we change by u. S plus 1 dx we change by negative u du. So this one we have negative number 1. And we have negative u plus c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.